An obesity research group has given Canada a D- for its annual report on physical activity among kids. And then there's the concern that obesity will become the biggest threat to public health. All the illnesses related to obesity take a $4 billion toll on Canada's healthcare system every year. So should food be regulated like tobacco? Here's Crystal Gumansing.
Fine, delicious sugar. We all know we need to limit our intake, but sugar, along with fat and salt, is added to everything we eat.
To me, sugar is absolutely an addiction.
An addiction Jason Holborn fed numerous times a day.
I used to eat a key lime pie for lunch. That used to be my lunch. All the time, I used to eat a chocolate cake for dinner. It used to be my life.
But he kicked the habit and proudly displays how long he's been on the sugar-free bandwagon. 511 days and counting. It's a lifestyle change that few make. Obesity, according to a study published in the Canadian Medical Association Journal, is expected to surpass smoking as the most common risk factor for heart disease. Consumers International and the World Obesity Federation is calling for a tobacco-style global treaty to fight obesity. In a report released Monday, the group says a targeted approach is needed.
For the first time in history, being overweight is linked to more deaths than being underweight. So poor diets are the number one cause now, the number one cause globally of premature deaths.
Amanda Long will pitch the idea in Geneva, Switzerland, Wednesday to the World Health Assembly. There are many projects underway to teach people how to eat healthy, but it's not enough.
All of the interventions that we've seen to date are personal responsibility interventions. They are interventions, again, meant to teach people how to swim against this current of crappy calories.
Dr. Yanni Friedhoff agrees an anti-tobacco type strategy aimed at certain foods would be helpful because it puts public health first.
The food industry is not our friend.
At some point in the future, kids will open a Life magazine and say, and point to M&M's advertisement and say, wow, did you guys really used to eat this all the time?
Holborn is optimistic the next generation will look at junk food the way we look at cigarettes. Crystal Gumansing, Global News.
Up next, a Canadian champ will introduce you to a chess prodigy who's on a winning streak. Stay with us.